Can you tell us about your new book?
Yeah, it's actually 2 books in one. So it's the great side is like the book of awesome business. So what companies can do right. So there's tips and case studies about what companies have done really good at in social media. It can be a consumer product company. It can be anything from small companies to middle-sized companies, even the big companies. There's all different examples from all levels because you don't have to have a huge budget to be awesome at what you do. You don't have to have 20,000 employees to be great at what you do. You just need one. You just need one really good one to be able to be awesome at what you do. The second side of the book is the bad side of the book, and it's written of the unawesome stuff, the screw-ups, where companies go wrong. But there's also a good point where I think you can learn a lot from mistakes as you can from success. And one of the great things about mistakes, though, is you can't change the fact that something's gone wrong, but you can make it right. And sometimes you can make a company look better than it did before the mistake if you handle it properly. And then it spreads through social media, through blogs, and through the internet.